and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable alternate pointer actions on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side, scrolling down underneath Motor, select Pointer Control. And then underneath alternate control methods, alternate pointer actions allow a switch or facial expression to be used in place of mouse buttons or pointer actions like left click and right click. You want to go ahead and toggle that to the on position to enable that. You will need to enter in your computer password in order to confirm, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.